Spider mites are more closely related to spiders than insects, but they can be serious problems in gardens and crops. Hot, dry weather favors spider mite development, and they're most often found on the undersides of leaves, where they rasp and destroy leaf cells. This rasping often leads to stippling, but then later leaf death as the number of spider mites increases. Spider mites also produce webbing, which can be a clue as to their presence. The two most common spider mite pest species in Texas are the Banks grass mite and the two-spotted spider mite. Adults of both species are small, and you need a hand lens if you're going to identify them. To distinguish between the species, note the pattern of pigmentation spots on the side of the body. The adult two-spotted spider mite has a well-defined spot on each side of the front half of the abdomen. The spots on the adult Banks grass mite extend all the way down both sides of the body, sometimes almost touching at the rear of the body. Of the two species, the spotted spider mite is usually the hardest to control, and in recent years, a red-colored variant of the two-spotted spider mite appeared in Texas, especially on the high plains, and it's even more difficult to control than our standard two-spotted spider mite. On grass crops such as corn and sorghum, the colonies form first on lower leaves and then move upward as the populations increase. On other crops and ornamentals, colonies might first form closer to the tops of the plants. Because spider mites are not insects, many of our standard insecticides are ineffective in controlling them. The key to spider mite control is to catch them early before the colonies have spread.